another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
We're at Caesar's Palace in Atlantic City. So for tonight's stay, we're staying at the Premium King room in the Centurion Tower. What's cool about this room too is that we're on the corner. So we have this window behind me that's looking down the boardwalk, and then we have a window facing the ocean. So it's really beautiful. This is actually my second time ever staying at Caesar's in AC. I had once stayed 7 years ago with all my college buddies. It was one of our 21st birthdays. It was our friend Cameron's 21st birthday. So that was the only other time I've ever stayed here, actually. First thing on the agenda is the pool. Here we go. One of the cool aspects to the Caesars in particular is that it's connected to the boardwalk pier here. So it's just a neat place. You know, you have the boardwalk, which has restaurants, food, games. They have a pier with rides and things like that. And also on the other side, you have the beach and the ocean, you know? But one of the things I've noticed through my years of spending time down the Jersey Shore is there's always like these psychics, right? Psychic readers. And I've never, ever done that before, but I thought maybe that'd be interesting for the vlog. So we're about to hit up the psychic right here.
You're not your mother, you're not your father. You're a different aura. You know, you were saying you're doing YouTube when you walked in, you know what I'm saying? But I don't feel you wanted to do YouTube. I feel you're doing this for creation and to get that certification for yourself because you're doubting your own vision. You understand me? I'm feeling with you. I feel movies, I feel design, but I also feel you have an ear for music. You have an ear for music. You have an eye for fashion. There's a lot you want to do more. So don't think that you're going to be doing this for the rest of your life. You're not going to be J. Paul. Your success is not going to come from YouTube.
That was interesting.
Yeah, I'll say.
Greta, do you think she was full of shit?
I think she was half full of shit.
We just made our way to Tropicana. It's another Caesar-owned property. 10-minute walk down from Caesars to Tropicana. You can walk on the pier and get here. We're going to their nightclub. It's called Boogie Nights Nightclub. It's supposed to be like 70s themed music and stuff like that. I've never really featured a nightclub in my vlog before, so I guess that'll be a first. Should be cool. One thing we should mention is that my parents are here, going to the nightclub with us. You want to say hi to the subscribers?
Hi, subscribers.
It's hard to.
I wish I could not, like, never feel tired again in my whole life. Good night. Good morning.
We're going to drop our bags off at the car. Then we're meeting my friend Gustavo. Then we're going to go to the beach for a second, or maybe actually just the pier. Then we're going to Jerez. So Jerez will be the next place we stay at. How are you walking so fast? Now I gotta find Gus. He's somewhere in the lobby.
Where is
Somewhere in the lobby. Oh, there he is. He's in the carriage. What's up, bro? What's up? All right, we gotta find the boardwalk now. Hey, Caesar, where's the boardwalk? I want to make one thing clear. I know a lot of you guys consider my videos, my hotel videos, reviews, and you expect me to kind of be transparent, to be authentic. And a lot of times when I get comped a room, you think that compromises my honest views and opinions on the hotel that I'm staying at. But I just want you to understand, I've never really looked at my videos as a review per se. I just try to illustrate a fun experience and share that with you guys in these hotels, and I try to show you what they offer and bring guys along. That's all I do here. So with that said, I definitely don't just lie about what I think, right? So I just want you to understand that. So I want to thank Caesars for comping the room. It really helps me as a creator because I'm not, therefore I'm not spending all my money on these hotels like I was doing for a while. But just to wrap things up, Caesars Palace here, it gives you the same feel as a Caesars Palace in Vegas, right? It has basically the same vibe. It's just a smaller version, a seaside version, but it's really, really unique, really cool here. I'm a big fan of it. It was a really fun time. And like I said earlier, I was here with a bunch of my college buddies back 7 years ago now, and that was like an unforgettable, really fun time. So I think I'll always kind of have a special place for that, for this property, for Caesars Palace AC. And I think if you Vegas people out there, if you're big fans of Caesars in Vegas, you definitely should give this Caesars a try sometime. Switch it up, come in the summer, and enjoy Atlantic City and Caesars here. So with that said, I am going to Jerez. Gotta continue. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel as always. Pumpsy out.